I'm Philip Byer. Thanks for stopping by. For many years, it's been our privilege to work with small to mid-sized businesses, helping them to implement lean practices using and documenting standard operating procedures and other control systems. Then to see these businesses thrive peaceably is very rewarding. Nevertheless, I'm mystified these days by certain business owners still choosing the micromanagement, hands-on everything method of controlling virtually every facet of their business, especially with so many examples of successful systemized businesses in the world they could emulate. Yet they cling to old habits that only leads to frenzied activity and frustration. Now, I call that madness. So what prompts this madness? Simply put, it's fear. Fear that someone won't do the job the way they, the owner, would do it. Fear that someone will forget to do a crucial task. Fear that devastating errors may occur if they're not overseeing every step of a process. Fear that they might lose an account or some new business if they are not directly involved with the customer on almost every job. On and on it goes. But this kind of fear is avoidable. Truth is, there's a better, easier, more affordable, less timely, less wasteful, and less frustrating way to operate a business. Just implementing a few standard operating procedures will alleviate those fears. In short, the solution is a written step-by-step procedure or checklist that is verified by the owner, documenting how they, the owner, would do the job themselves. This written procedure will document the order and the method to which a job or project is to be completed, and then tested to identify missing steps before implementing. Sounds simple? You bet it is. However, it does take some time. What I know about time is it goes by whether we're proactive or reactive. Time goes by whether we choose to continue business as usual or choose to change for the better, saving time, money, and our sanity. Oh, did I mention great systems work? They really do. I know we've helped a lot of people. A mellow